This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Come see this all-brick beautifully maintained ranch in Hickory section of Chesapeake. This spacious home sits on a sizable lot with ample yard space to suit all your needs. You will have peace of mind. A roof and HVAC that were replaced in 2015 and a 2-year-old hot water heater. Another major improvement the seller has taken care of is the addition of new gutters and windows on the rear of the house in 2019. The kitchen was updated in 2015 and features stainless steel appliances, beautiful granite countertops, complementary cabinets, and backsplash. Enjoy family meals in the formal dining room or in the eat-in kitchen nook area. The wood-burning stove is sure to create the perfect ambience on a chilly night. Entertaining is a breeze. A large patio space and an abundance of parking options. A large, paved driveway along the side of the house leading to a detached garage/workshop in the rear. Near recreation, dining and shopping, you're close to everything you need. For more information, review the details below.